Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Studio Fancy. In the previous video, you learned how to dodge and burn. So this video, I will show you Final Edit. So let's see how to do it. Go to Filter, select Camera Row Filter, then do the adjustment as shown in the video. So this is the final result of our edit. Hit that like button and subscribe our channel if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.